How to fix low volume alarm sound on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, check and adjust alarm volume. Go to settings, open sound and vibration option. Now here you need to check your alarm sound and volume. Adjust the slider to increase the alarm sound. Here you can even change the ringtone. So you need to make sure you are using a loud, clear alarm tone. From here you can easily choose system ringtone or even the custom. And make sure to test the tone to ensure it's loud enough. After that you simply need to check do not disturb settings. Come back and open connection and sharing, or simply go to sound and vibration only. Here you will see do not disturb. Open it and ensure alarm are allowed to bypass do not disturb mode. If not, toggle the setting to allow alarms. Now you need to make sure to restart your phone. So hold the power button on your device and then slide towards restart, which will solve temporary glitches that might affect alarm volume. And lastly, if none of this issue work, you simply need to test the speaker as well. If the volume remains low, test your phone's speaker, and if there is any problem, you need to go to authorized person to repair that. So in this way you can easily fix low volume alarm sound on Android. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.